Good luck, guys. We're going to go to random.org. We're going to select where it says List Randomizer. There you go. Good luck. Here's all your names. Appreciate everyone who bought in. There you go. You can quickly scan it. We'll do it 5 times, guys. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Best of luck to you guys. And if you guys like this Signa-Cuts, we can do it again. We're probably definitely going to be doing it again. I like this stuff. I like it. And we're going to go ahead and quickly scan so you can see your letters. Again, appreciate it, guys. There you go. All right, letter A goes to Zach. Letter B, Steve. Letter C going to Kevin, W-I-L, or known as K-Dub. Zach with D, Patrick Kennedy with E, Kevin with S with F, Zach with G, Zach with H, Steve with J, Kevin with K, L with Lopez for Steve, M, N with Kevin, Zach with O, then we have Kevin with P, R with Patrick, we have S with Kevin, T, V with Zach, W with Steve, Y with Kevin, and Z with Zach. Z for Zach. All right, here we go. Good luck. Best of luck, guys. Again, we're looking for last name. Okay, only 1,800 of these boxes have been actually made and produced, so not too many of these floating around. So it contains one card with either a current or former football player, NFL draft. So it can have, it can have 2 autos, both on one on each side. It can have just one auto. The card's going to be numbered to 25 or less. All right, best of luck to you guys. Here we go. We're going for last name letter, guys. Last name letter. Here we go. All right. Oh, nice. We got a 4, a 5. We got a Bill Follick. 4 of 5. Signa-Cut. Letter F. That's going out to Kevin, W-I-L, K-Dub. Bill Follick. 4 of 5. Drafted in Atlanta, 1985. College Hall of Fame, 1999. It also has this sticker here. It says this, I think, for the complete draft, for the checklist there. All right. There you go. On the back, it just says you have received a TriStar Signa-Cuts football draft choice featuring an authentic hand-signed auto. These are nice, man. We're gonna definitely do another one. 4 of 5. All right, nice. Appreciate it, Kevin. Again, no other cards in here. All right, but the fun's not over. We're gonna go ahead and get into some 2013 Crown for you guys. I'm gonna put each of your names back into the random, and then that'll determine what pack number you get, guys. Let's see. We have. Let's go back here. Here we go. This is for Crown, guys. Let's see here. For Crown, we have Kevin. We have Zach. We have Patrick. And we have Steve. 5 times, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, Zach gets pack 1. Steve gets second one. Kevin gets the third, and Patrick gets the 4th. And we can go ahead and go back to here, and we can put Crown numbers. Crown numbers here. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, cool. Best of luck, guys. Letter F took the card. We're going to put letter F right here. We can highlight you in green. All right, guys. Here we go. 2 autos or memorabilia cards per box, guys. Good luck. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to mix them up. All right, guys. Crown. Pack number 1. Let's go back to our random list here. Pack number 1 goes to Zach. W-E-E-L-O. Best of luck to you, sir. 13 Crown. We're going old school today. Here we go. We got Ryan Tannehill. Alfred Morris. DeMarco Murray. We got a filler card. Then we got a nice Julio Jones, number to 299. We got the Julio Crown, the refractor. 2013 Crown. All right, man. Good stuff. We're going to put it in your pile with that auto. All right, Zach. Second pack is Steve. L-O-P. Steve, good to see you again, man. It's been a while. Good to see you again. Again, hope everything's going better for you, sir. Here we go. We got Reggie. We got Troy Polamalu. We got Gronkowski. We have Vance McDonald. The jumbo patch, number to 99. Vance McDonald, number to 99. The silhouette jumbo. All right. We got Antoine Jamerson, number to 299. And Devontae Jones. Going to Steve. I appreciate it, Steve. Let me go ahead and put this on here. Steve, L-O-P. All right, so that way everyone gets something out of our break. Here we go, Kevin. Kevin, W-I-L. There we go, Kevin. We start off with the McFadden. Whoops. Start off with the McFadden card. Run DMC. Gates. We have Bryce Butler. Ooh, nice. Look at the auto. Number to 49. The Raiders. The Red Crown. Short print. I think he plays for the Cowboys now. Bryce Butler. Zach snagging an auto and the cut auto. Nice. I mean, Kevin snagging it. Then we have, let's see here, Mike Gillespie and John Bostic. All right, man. Kevin, W-I-L. Good stuff, Kevin. Let me put that on there for you. Kevin, W-I-L. And last pack goes to Patrick. K-E-N. Appreciate the love, Patrick. Appreciate the retweets. Good to see you again. Again, if we're definitely going to be doing this again, man. Definitely. We got Marshawn. Looking for him in 07. He's in there. We got Big Ben. We got the nice Michael Floyd, number to 99. Michael Floyd. I know we have some Mike Floyd fans on Twitter. Number to 99. The red. Love these red, different parallels. And we have Kenny Vicario from UT, from Texas. Number to 299. Vicario. Nice. And it's going to go to Patrick. K-E-N. K-E-N. All right. Appreciate it. That way everybody gets something out of our break. All right, guys. We can definitely be on for a little bit. In case you guys want to jump into the 07 contenders, guys. Trying to hunt down the last 3 autos in our box. $5 per pack, guys. My PayPal Direct, I can list it again. Here's my PayPal Direct, just in case you guys want to jump in for a little late night pick a pack. Okay, I got you, man. 5 per. I got it, Zach. We'll get you another 2, man. Zach, go ahead and hit me with an L or an R. L or an R. If you want two from the left or one from the left, one from the right, let me know. Let me know. You can do one L, one R, two L, two R, whichever side you want them from. If not, I'll pick. If not, I'll pick it, man. Just let me know. Getting five pair, guys. It is awesome, awesome price for this type of box. And let me know. Right side, all right? Let's do it. Two from the right. Let's hunt them down. We got Palmer on the back. Let's hunt down these autos. Here we go. Travis Henry. Remember he was a stud with the Buffalo Bills? I remember he went bonkers in the early 2000s. Steven Jackson. We got contenders. Round number one, we have Gaines Adams and Anthony Spencer. Adams was a top pick that year. We got Drew Brees and Palmer. There we go. Still got three autos remaining and contenders. Here we go. Fred Taylor. Again, these are tough. Will not find these in the local card shop. Fred Taylor. Done. We got Fast Willie Parker. We got Santana Moss from the University of Miami. Chester Taylor. Looking for those rookie tickets, guys. Appreciate it, Zach. 5 pair, guys. Send PayPal direct. And then let me know what side you want, left or right. Or a mixture of one and one. Appreciate it, Zach. Knocking one of the autos out. We got 3 left. 07. Again, guys, the reason I got it, killer checklist, guys. Killer checklist. Even the Olsen's going to be nuts if you pull that one. Killer checklist. All right, guys, we'll be on for another couple minutes, and then we will be back soon, guys, with more box breaks. More, probably another letter random, some more pick a pack. We're going to definitely bring that back, and then have our Christmas announcement, guys, for our Christmas packs. We can start loading up on that. Congrats to Kevin hitting the cut auto. Congrats to Zach knocking out an auto. Steve knocking out an auto. And appreciate Patrick jumping in. Appreciate you guys. Checking the score of that game. Cowboys, Minnesota. Looks like they're a defensive battle, 7-3, Dallas. Thursday night football. I don't even know if we should keep that around. Seems like all the Thursday night games are kind of sluggish. All right, guys, that'll do it. I appreciate it. If you need to hit me up via Twitter, guys. And again, I appreciate it. Thank you to everyone who bought in. Hope to see you again real soon for more pick a pack and also pick a team, guys. I know that some people have talked about it. Pick a pack, pick a team, randoms, letter randoms, maybe card drafts in the future. Also, the Christmas packs are definitely going to be coming. All right, guys, appreciate it, and I will see you soon. Thank you.